Okay, so I think mostly we have not met before because I think I don't have any session in FY and SY, so I'm completely new for you people. So myself, Vinita Singh, uh, I mostly teach TY and MSc students, so I think I have not come in contact with you people. So I will just turn on my video also, so at least you people can see me also because I think for FY people I'm completely new. Even for SY, I don't think that you people anytime come in contact with me. So basically, what we are going to see in digital marketing and this, so I will just stop the video. I'm not going to show you any PPT or anything to know you that what it is exactly, what you can do and all. Because see, all these things you will able to know when in this entire year you will, and many of you must have some idea about it also. So it is going to be completely a interactive section where you can ask me what do you want to know. So first I will just give you a small introduction about digital marketing as well as the data analysis, and then you can ask me a different question. So it is going to be completely an interactive session because when I'm going to just show you the PPT and all what you are going to know about it, I will just show you the PPT and I will just tell you that this, that, and all. It will not be much interesting according to me. So it's better that it should be an interactive session. There should be a conversation between you and me, you all and me. So first, what is the digital marketing? Nowadays, you know that the social site or a digital media is basically used for all kinds of advertisement, all kinds of, you can say that, just a minute. Yes, nowadays you people know that the digital media is basic platform for all types of advertisement, marketing, as well as for doing the different entrepreneurship or a different business, for everything. So digital marketing is just related to that. Many times you must have seen that if you know you are a good designer, you know to design, how to design the things, and you don't have a much of the money to start with any particular business or you are not able to do the entrepreneurship. So what you can do simply, you must have your Insta profile or a Facebook profile where you can just post your designs, and your advertisement will done. And even if people like you, they will contact with you, and even you can sell your designs and all. So this is just an example. हाँ, एक जस्ट मिनट काव्या थोड़ा और इधर आओ नहीं तो तुम गिर जाओगे. हाँ, अच्छे से बैठो. हाँ, ले लो, खाओ. Okay, so basically, this is kind of a digital marketing. I have just given an example of what is a digital marketing. So this is a day-to-day life thing where you must know about all these things. Many people do their advertisement or their business. You can say that business also over the Insta and all. So this is a kind of a digital marketing. Okay, so this is one of the example of digital marketing. Now you can do apart from this, for example, if anybody is very good teacher, or they have a very good knowledge about a particular thing, they have a very good knowledge of a particular thing, or whatever. So what they can do, even in that case, what they can do, they can just create their own YouTube channel. They start doing, as you know that your YouTube channel, you can create your YouTube channel of free, and you can start with that particular. You can show their your talent, knowledge, or whatever. And if you are getting more and more views and likes, then you are going to get paid for that. Yes. So this is also a type of digital marketing. So this is the thing what we know about the digital marketing. This is what day to day in day to day life many people are using, and you are aware of all this. So this is a kind of digital marketing. Now we come to the data analysis. Now what is the data analysis? Now there is a lots of confusion or lots of things regarding the data analysis. See, when we are talking about the data analysis, the part itself is say that analysis of a data. Yes. Now why data analysis is so much important? What is there? Uh, there is which makes it so important. So basically, when you are talking about the data analysis, why we need to analyze the data? I think after mostly 2010, we have started with this analysis of the data, and after 2014 and 15 it has taken a pick. So it is not like that it is just started, but yes, it was going on from before, from many time before itself. But yes, from 2010 onwards they have started analyzing the things and all. When cloud comes in picture, then once the more and more people started using the internet, they have started using the social sites and all, then the demand of this data analysis go on increasing and increasing nowadays. So you will see that your data, your just your name and contact is have a so much importance. Even if you go in malls and all, there are some people, they will just tell you that just fill up this form, and will you get this movie ticket free, or you will have this and that. There are many things. And what we do, we just fill that form without thinking or without giving a second thought why they need our data, what they are going to do by using our data. So this is all information are used for advertisement. Before, when we have a Gmail or we have email ID, on that only important um, messages comes, the messages only, those messages comes from to whom we have shared our email ID. There are not junk mails, but nowadays if you will see, there are so many messages there. When you will see your Gmail account, there is a categorization: promotional messages, then social messages, and so on. So like that, nowadays so many means to whom we have not shared our email ID, from there also we are getting the messages and all. So from where we are getting all these messages, how they are knowing about all these things, how they know our contact number, how they know our email ID, even though we have not shared with them. Because there are many applications we are using because of Android operating system. In Android operating system, or when I can say that when operating system comes on a mobile phone, we have started using mobile phones as a small device, small computer, you can say, or you can say that nowadays you are handling most of the things, 90% of your tasks by using mobiles and all. So when this come into picture, we have started using the different types of app. And when we have started using the different types of app, what they demanded first, they want access to our contact, first thing. Then they want access to our SMSs, second thing. Then cameras, then files, location, so on. Yes. And what we do, we just give permission for everything. Yes, 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 yes. We just want to use this application, that's it. We don't bother about the permissions what we are giving. क्या मांग रहा है, कॉन्टैक्ट ही तो मांग रहा है, क्या मांग रहा है, फाइल ही तो, फाइल का ही तो परमिशन मांग रहा है, एसएमएस ही तो कर रहा है, क्या कर लेगा मेरा मतलब परमिशन लेके क्या कर लेगा. So it was like that before, the users are not so much aware, so they just have given their permission to all the application, like Yes, for everything, yes to all. Even they don't need to read the things also, that what is why they need all the permission, what is the requirement of all, and they don't read. We don't read all those things. We just given all the permission. So when we have started using Android phones, when we have started giving permissions to application, so now by using this, in Facebook, we have given almost all information to the Facebook, Insta, and many things. Yes, so like from this, the information got scattered, or you can say that they have started selling the information, your information, user informations, and from there the many companies get that all kinds of information, and they start sending you the advertisements and all. Yes, so like that our information was sell, and that become available to everyone. Yes, it is available everywhere, anyone can use our information, and we can't do anything because we have given the permission for that. We can't do anything. We cannot say that why you are using our data, because they will directly say that you have given the permission, you have agreed to our license and your agreement before using this applications or anything. So we have given permission to using all the data. So now nowadays, if you will see that even if you will just search a product on a Google, okay, just search about the phone, and when then whatever application you will use, whatever application you will use, at the top or bottom you will get the pricing of that particular mobile phone, or the different site suggestion from where you can purchase that particular mobile phone and all. Yes, so like that, our data is now become available. Yes, and it is available to everyone. Anyone can use our information. So when the data available, when we make the data available too easily, so now that there is a concept called data analysis, because now there is a numerous amount of data. There is a huge amount of data which can be analyzed for the different purposes, whether it can be used for the different advertisement, whether it can be used for the different purposes or anything. See, I'm not saying that data analysis is only bad thing. It has many good thing also. Yes, it has many good sides also. Because when yes, I'm accessing, if I'm accessing somebody's personal data, it is bad. It is not a good thing. It should not be used. So it should not be done. I should not access anybody's data, and I should not sell the data to anybody because it's a private privacy content. So it is not a good thing. But yes, by using that data analysis, many companies got benefited, or you are able to know many recommendations. Nowadays, if you are using the YouTube's and all, if you search a particular thing, after that you will get n number of recommendations regarding to that, which is related to the your search. So it is easy for user also, that they don't need to search much thing. Just once they have searched, and they will get a number of things, n number of things related to that. So they are having many options. Same way when you are before to that, when we want to purchase anything, we have just limited option, like a limited option in our locality or something. Yes, but when we have started accessing this one, or when we have having this web browsers and all, we are having the n number of options. Okay, so we are getting the many options from where you can get the information. Okay, so like you are having n number of options to purchase the thing, so you can get the pricing details and all, and you can get that particular thing from where there is a more discounts and all. So yes, it has both the sides. That is, for anything there is a both the things, whether advantage and disadvantage. So data analysis is just a analysis of a data. Now the analysis of data can be done for the different purposes. As I told you that there can be a recommendation system, whereby using by analyzing your data, they can give you a recommendation that you can do that. So they can form a recommendation system. Then it can be used for the advertisement. It can be used for the different things. Even if you fill upload your resume over the Naukri.com or something. From there also, what you they do, they send you the messages of availability of the thing. So it makes the task easy also, and somewhere we just want that our data should not be misused. Our purpose is just like our data should not be misused. Wherever the data is, our data is getting used, it should be properly used. It should not be misused. But yes, you cannot give guarantee of that your data will not be misused. About, I think, from 2013 onwards, there is a n number of data breaching, whether it is a Yahoo, Gmail, or whatever. There are n number of data breaching is happening because of this only. Okay. So this is basically a data analysis part, where the analysis of data can be done, and it can be used for the multiple things. It can be used for the recommendation system. It can be used for the different like advertisements. It can be used for the different kind of other different purposes. As you know that even these when there is a like in US and all, where online voting system is used, this kind of information or analysis is also used for at the large scale also, where it can be misused for this kind of misleading the voting system and all also. So yes, there is a number of things, and nowadays you know that if there is going to be a war between the countries, then it is going to be a digital war, not a physical is going to be then, because it is very easy that if I steal your data, and if I misuse your country's people's data, it can create havoc in your country. It can change many things which we cannot even consider, okay, or which we cannot even think about it. So this is basically a data analysis. So when you say that data analysis, there is a n number of analysis. Now this is one thing. Now there we come across the biological. Yes, biological data is also getting analyzed. You can get you can there are as like right now there is a COVID-19 virus is there. Then you know that there is it is getting mutating, and there are many different strains are available of these viruses. So this data can be also analyzed. So this analysis part make it easy to analyze all kind of data, and give the result as fast as possible. So yes, this also comes under the data analysis. So data analysis is not only the yours data. It can consist of the biological information, any kind of data which you are going to analyze for the certain result, for the certain purpose. That is basically known as the data analysis. Okay, so that is from my side a simple introduction to the data analysis and digital marketing. Okay, now from your side, if you want to ask any question, or if you are not able to understood that particular topic or particular thing what I have said. I have said you a very general thing. I am not involved in any technical terms. I have not used in technical terms, because I just want this is just a 1 hour session where we cannot give you the entire insight of the data analysis. Yes, but yes, you at least you should know what it is. Yes, so I have just given a very basic information, and though entire detail about the data analysis and digital marketing, that what it basically consists. We have not went through any technical things. This is what the data analysis and digital marketing. Apart from whatever I have said, if you have any doubt in that, or apart from that you want to share anything, you can just ask me. Just a minute. Yes. Anybody wants to ask anything?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Ganesh.
Ma'am, what is the major difference between data science and data analytics? There is much confusion about these two topics.
Okay, okay, okay. See, when we are talking about the data science, And when we are talking about the data analysis, what I said you that I just told you that what is the data analytics. ठीक है, मैंने आपको सिर्फ बताया कि क्या डेटा एनालिसिस करके क्या होता है एंड व्हाट इज बेसिकली डेटा एनालिसिस. लाइक आई हैव योर डेटा, I will try to find out the certain thing from your data. Like if I have your contact number, your name, then I will just try to find out the information about your contact number from your contact number and all, and I will try to analyze those information. Like if I have your, if you I have your contact number and your name and your email id, from your email id, because most of the application will log in by using our email id. Okay, so from that I will try to find out what things you are trying to what things you are using in your day to day life, what I can what can I different suggestion I can do, how what different kind of advertisement I can give you. So this is the data analysis part. जैसे मैंने रिकमेंडेशन यूट्यूब पे भी बोला कि आपने एक बार सर्च किया, तो इट मे इट वेंट्स टू नो दैट लाइक इफ यू हैव सर्च एनी ओल्ड सॉन्ग्स, it find out that okay, you like old songs, so it will give a recommendation of many old songs. So it just analyze your data that okay, you are using the, you are finding the old, you like the old song. Then in old song also, like if you are hearing a particular type of song like a Lata Mangeshkar song or a Adi Barman or whatever, so it will try to find out that okay, you like this kind of songs more, so it will give more recommendation of that. So this is the data analysis. Okay. Now what is the data science? This entire data analysis part, whatever we are doing, how we are doing, you know that for analysis purpose, if you know or if you will see the news and all, for this analysis and all, more and more statistics background people are involved in that. Yes, then we for this analysis part we want to create a automated program or a AI based program which will do all these things by itself. Okay, so I don't need any. I will just write a program which will do all the analysis. Okay, so or it will do all the things. So this is the data science. Data science is, data analysis is just a, you can see that industry of analyzing the data, where we are just analyzing the data. We just need the data and we just want to analyze. Now the analysis can be done by using Excel also, or by using a particular software, or by using a particular thing. But in background, all this software, all this program, all these things are going to be developed by using a data science. So data science is very vast, which include everything. It includes the statistics background, it includes the artificial intelligence background, it includes the different programming language, it includes that whether if I'm analyzing that data, then how I'm going to provide the security to the data, how I will ensure that, एक minute, हाँ, just एक मिनट, हाँ मम्मी बोल. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So data science include everything. So when you are learning the data science, you are not just learning how what is analysis of data. When you are doing the data analysis, you just learn the different aspects, how you, what data you are going to analysis and for what purposes you are analyzing the data. ओके, तो अगर आप डेटा एनालिटिक्स हो, तो आपको सिर्फ वो सॉफ्टवेयर दिया हुआ है या एक पर्टिकुलर चीज दिया हुआ है, वो डेटा एनालिसिस कर रहा है और वो डेटा एनालिसिस करके आपको रिजल्ट का इंटरप्रिटेशन करना है. लाइक मैंने एक बैकग्राउंड में सॉफ्टवेयर रन किया, उसने मेरा डेटा एनालिसिस किया, उसके बाद उसने एक एक्सेल फाइल मुझे आउटपुट के लिए दिया. तो एज अ डेटा एनालिटिक्स ना मेरा अभी ये काम है कि मैं इंटरप्रेट करूँ ये नॉलेज को। लाइक अगर आपको मैंने कोई भी एक्सेल फाइल दे दिया तो आपको नहीं समझेगा कि ये क्या है और इसमें क्या चीज एनालिसिस किया हुआ है। So once I'm getting the output, the data analytics task is to interpret the result to find out that what it is exactly, and what it means. Okay. While the data science is the entire science where from the technical term where how you are going to analyze the data, which algorithms you need to learn, from there to the that entire how you can make secure your data and everything. So when you learn the data science, you will have all the subject like from cloud computing to AI to cloud security, sorry, to your data security, everything will be included. So you can say that data science is the science of entire data, which include the algorithms for the analysis of data, how you can make secure your data, everything. While data analysis is just one module of the data science, one part of the data science, where we are just analyzing the data. Ganesh, I hope I have solved your doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
It is clear to you?
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. And same way, you may also ask that what is the machine learning? Okay, so machine learning basically क्या है? If you will see the machine learning, it just you have all the algorithms. So we can say that machine learning, AI, all these are the part of the data science. Okay, where machine learning is only dealing with the different machine based algorithm which can be used for analyzing the data. Which algorithm? Like there is n number of algorithms. जब आप डेटा एनालिसिस लाइक अब जब आप रिकमेंडेशन सिस्टम के लिए यूज करते हो तो वो एल्गोरिदम्स अलग होते हैं। जब आप किसी और चीज के लिए यूज कर रहे हो वो एल्गोरिदम्स अलग होते हैं। तो मशीन इंटेलिजेंस is a collection of all the algorithm, that is you can say that it is not nothing but a statistics. So the person who is from the statistics background, it will be easy for them to understand the algorithm of machine learning. But the CS people will, for them, it will be easy to implement those things because they know how to implement the things. They may not be have better understanding of the algorithm, but yes, implementation part will be easy for CS people. That's why whenever the machine intelligence come, there is always involvement of the CS as well as the statistics people. So machine intelligence is that part where we need to learn the different machine based algorithm by using which we can train our machine. Whenever you talking about the machine intelligence, मतलब हमारे पास एक डेटा है, डेटा सेट है, वो डेटा सेट को हमें ट्रेन करना है by using a certain algorithm so that it can do the analysis or it can do the things by itself. Okay, so that is a machine intelligence. So this machine intelligence, data analysis, all are the part of the data science. Data science is a thing which is including everything from data analysis to machine intelligence to AI to data security, everything. I hope that is clear to everyone. There is one question in chat box. Ma'am, is it necessary to learn any kind of language to do digital marketing and data analytics? No, not really. For digital marketing, Google is providing the free course of 6 months. It is available. Just search on this. What we know about the what we see on the Google. The Google is providing for the digital marketing and even for data analytics. Data analytics, I think the first two modules are free. After that, they charge for it. But digital marketing is completely free. No, in digital marketing, when you they are training you, they just tell you that how to use, or they just make you efficient so that you can use the social environment more or internet more and more, and by using that how you can do the businesses, how you can explore the this social sites, or you can say internet for the businesses more and more. So that is they are going to teach that part in digital marketing. Again, when you are coming to the data analytics, they just want that you should analyze the data. They don't want that you should develop. When you require to learn about the particular language, when you want to whenever you want to develop a tool for the data analysis. Okay, but here when you are at just data analytics, So what they want in data analytics, you know that there is a basically business data analytics, and there is just a data analytics. Where business data analytics means like a company has hired you, where you will collect or different companies information, then you just analyze that with your data, your company's data, and you can just see that how you can improve the working of your, or how you can make your business up to the mark or up to the current time. So this is kind of a data analytics. So where for data analytics you don't need to learn a particular language. Okay, because this includes just the analysis part. So where they just need your they just train your mind in such a way that once you are having the data, you will get the different ideas to solve that particular to analyze the particular data. So they will have a tools. You have to just use those tools and analyze the data. And after analyzing the data, what interpretation you can give, what suggestions you can give. That is very important. So they need in both the cases you can say that they need a person with such a mind that who have the more and more interpretation and convincing power, so that they can make a new things, or they can suggest the new things about it after analyzing the data. So for that you don't need to learn a particular language. But yes, when you are going for the data science, yes, at that time you need to learn the languages. When if you want to if you want to go for the machine intelligence, yes, then at that time you need to learn the languages. Like nowadays, more and more analysis is basically happening in Python and R, and in that also Python is more used, and there is a n number of components of Python. What you have learned in FY and SY, that is just a basic. That is not going to be used for the data analysis part. There is n number of component has been designed for the data analysis. So at that time, yes, you need to learn the Python language. I will suggest the Python more and more. You can also go for the R. R is also used for that. But yes, for digital marketing and data analytics, no, you don't need to learn a particular language. There, they just train you that how you are going to play with the data. Okay. Anything else? Raj, I hope I solved your doubt.
Ma'am, nowadays many algorithms will itself analyze the data. Then means like YouTube algorithms do that. Then in future, do we need real humans, or it will get totally automated by algorithms? This data analytics part.
Yes. Yes. That is the very what you can say that uh, the very important thing that nowadays automation is taking place. If you have seen the you have said that YouTube algorithm is there now. A simple example I will give you that even nowadays for the customer care also, before to that we were just calling and we are getting connected to that person directly. But nowadays that is not happening. What we have to do, there is a automated chat system where we can chat with the particular one. But yes, what I will say that there is a limitation for everything. Even these system, whatever automated systems are there, they are not going to answer all the question, or not. We cannot train any system completely like a human being. When AI comes into the picture, its main purpose that we want to create a machine, a device which think like a human. Yes, that was the first purpose of it. So yes, we had tried to create it, and we had tried to automated any everything, but it is not 100% possible that everything is going to get automated. We need a human interaction. We need a human interruption, or you can say a human interception. It is not completely. It cannot be automated. Yes, but we can say that. It is going to change, or it is going to make it very difficult for us because at least I can say that 40% things can be done just by automated system. So yes, human task will be minimized, but not completely. We cannot completely ignore it. We need it, but yes, it is going to be. This automated system is going to affect at that at I can say 30 to 40% it is going to affect, not 100% because the automated system cannot solve everything. At some point, we need a human interception. It is not possible that everything machine can do. It has certain limitation. First thing, and second thing, what happens that for something we need a human interception because it is very easy to what we can say that to mislead the machine. See, if I had hacked the system, if I have just change the certain code in your site, so your machine is completely, now your site is completely going to be behave differently. सो क्या होगा इस केस में, एक जगह से जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी कम होगी। लाइक आप जब बात कर रहे हो कि ऑटोमेटेड होते जाएगा, तो ये यहाँ पे जहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट पहले कॉल कस्टमर केयर में कॉल पर्टिकुलर बंदा उठाता था, उसकी जगह पे ये ये चैटिंग सिस्टम वगैरह आने की वजह से काफी चीजें उस वहाँ पे ही सॉल्व हो जाती है। नो नीड टू connect with the people. Yes, so at that time, for that, in that purpose, yes, number of people who was attending the call and all that will get minimized. These people are going to get minimized. But yes, at the security section, we need more and more human intercession now, because we just need a person to see that कि कोई हर दिन हमें वो चेक करना पड़ेगा। लाइक अब आप अगर देखोगे तो पहले जब हम विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम व्हेन वी वर इंस्टॉलिंग, देयर वाज नो सो मच अपडेट, but nowadays if you will see, every day there is a new update. Yes, so I need a people in a security side where they will just analyze the things and they will just check that whether something is happening to our system or something is मतलब तो आप ये कह सकते हो कि इस साइड से थोड़ा जॉब होके कम होके आपका सिक्योरिटी साइड में, whether it is a ethical hacking or whether it is a cyber security, in that field the job will increase. If you will, I don't know how much India is going to get affected, but everywhere all over world there is a more and more need of the cyber security people. Even in India, if once as we are also going more and more digital, the need of cyber security will increase. So क्या होता है ना, just remember one thing: nature always try to balance the things. ओके, सो एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग हम कितना भी ट्राई कर ले, बट देर इज ऑलवेज, अगर ह्यूमन बीइंग का इंटरसेप्शन नहीं होगा तो नेचर का इंटरसेप्शन होने वाला है। तो ईयर ऑल्सो एक फील्ड में यस आपके जॉब मिनिमाइज हो सकते हैं, मतलब ह्यूमन इंटरसेप्शन मिनिमाइज हो सकते हैं, बट वहीं पे सिक्योरिटी सेक्शन में वी नीड मोर एंड मोर पीपल, बिकॉज सिक्योरिटी कैन नॉट बी हैंडल्ड। आपने बहुत सुना भी होगा कि एआई को, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को, दे आर ट्राइंग टू टेक इन security also, but that is impossible. That is literally impossible. Why it is impossible? Because security you cannot make it AI, because आप वो है क्या, सिर्फ एक मशीन है, और मशीन को अगर आपको, आपने न्यूज पढ़ा रहेगा, ये कुछ बहुत पहले की बात, आई थिंक 2015 या 16 की बात है, वेयर इजराइल हैज created something a very important, you can say that it was working on that very important thing, and वो पूरा यूएस के एक वायरस ने, वो पूरा एक वायरस ने उनका पूरा वो जो सिस्टम का सेटअप था वो पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, और उनका वो पूरा मेहनत एंड ऑल सब गया। सो हम मशीन पे इतना डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकते, क्योंकि अगर उससे कोई चीज बनाना इजी है तो उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करना भी उतना ही डिफिकल्ट है। तो यस, इन वन सेक्टर इट मे गेट मिनिमाइज, बट अदर सेक्टर विल ऑलवेज get you more and more chance. As I told you that when you are more depending on a system, then you need a high level and a more high level of security also. So in security, the chances will increase. I hope, Sagar, I had solved your doubt.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, in cyber security, people also nowadays they are also using many tools and algorithms. So means there also automation is there, no?
No, 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 no. Yes, I told you that they are using, as I told you that there is also artificial intelligence concept in the cybersecurity, but at a certain level, at only 10%, 15%, or you can say max to max 20%. We cannot depend on 100%. And those algorithms, when they are getting implemented, they need to analyze, or they should be checked. मैंने जैसे बोला कि आपको ये चेक करते रहना है कि आपका सिस्टम हैक तो नहीं हो रहा है, या आपके सिस्टम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स तो नहीं हो रहे हैं, आपके सिस्टम को कोई कुछ इश्यूज तो नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा है, तो उसके लिए यू नीड अ ह्यूमन इंटरसेप्टर. इट कैन नॉट बी completely just done by using the algorithm. We cannot just depend on the algorithm. And when there is any problem, we need more and more update. So security is something कि जहाँ पे आपको हर एक दिन कुछ नया आएगा, और हर एक दिन आपको उसको मतलब वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए कुछ नया सोचना है. So this algorithm, this machine cannot do this. See, machine learning cyber security में भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो क्या कर सकता है, सिर्फ it will check to that कि आपका डेटा कहीं पे किसी और ने यूज तो नहीं किया है. So it can be just used at a data level. It cannot be used at a system level. And that also need a very close, what you can say, that observation. We need a human being who is a machine is doing task, but in background we need a human being who is going to observe that thing. See, a simple example, share market में भी अगर आप देखोगे तो आज पूरा ही मतलब वो पूरी चीजें जो है वो ऑटोमेटेड हो चुका है. पहले कैसे पहले के टाइम पे लोग ऑन पेपर दे जस्ट नोटेड डाउन द थिंग्स एंड दे जस्ट फाइंड आउट द कि कैसे कल क्या होने वाला है. आज तो प्रेडिक्शन के लिए भी ये हो गया है. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि ट्रेडर्स का काम नहीं है. बिना ट्रेडर्स के शेयर मार्केट चल ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज इवन एवरी प्रेडिक्शन इज देयर, बट दैट प्रेडिक्शन इज नॉट 100% ट्रू ना. That is not giving on that prediction we cannot depend 100%. वो सिर्फ वो prediction पे हम अपने market को छोड़ नहीं सकते ना. We need the people in background who is working on those things. So आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि ये एक market में fear factor भी क्या होता है ना, basically अगर आप आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाके चीजों को फाइंड आउट करने का कोशिश करोगे, मोस्टली आई विल टेल जापान एंड ऑल, यू विल फाइंड द डिफरेंट थिंग. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, पीपल स्टार्ट डूइंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट मोर एंड मोर. मतलब दे जस्ट नीड uh, maybe we need more and more employment for that. That is also reason behind that. We just get the things and we just मतलब हम लोग सिर्फ उसके पीछे 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 इतना सारी चीजें उसके बारे में फैला देते हैं कि हमको खुद को भी नहीं पता होता क्या सही है क्या गलत है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कम्प्लीटली कोई भी चीज मशीन हैंडल कर सकता है. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. कितना भी आपका ये हो जाओ, एट द सर्टेन लेवल यू गोइंग टू बी रिक्वायर अ ह्यूमन इंटरसेप्शन. एंड जिस दिन आपने पूरा मशीन के ऊपर छोड़ दिया, देन उस दिन आई डोंट थिंक कि वो कंट्री आगे कुछ डेवलप कर पाएगी, कोई भी कंट्री होने दो. सो इट इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. यस, बट पहले कैसे था कि आपका नॉलेज लिमिटेड होने पे भी आपको जॉब मिल जाते थे. अब वैसा नहीं है. यू नीड टू बी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. यू नीड टू बी थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स. यू नीड टू मतलब आप कुछ तो ऐसे न्यू चीजें या आपका थिंकिंग जो होना चाहिए वो लिमिटेड नहीं होना चाहिए. पहले ऐसे नहीं था आईटी में. पहले कैसे था, इफ यू नो लाइक यस यू नो जावा, यू बिकम अ जावा डेवलपर. यू नो एसक्यूएल, यू बिकम अ डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. सो पहले ऐसे था कि एवरी फील्ड इज फिक्स. यू नो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, you go to the software testing field and all. But because of this automation, you need to be more and more, what I can say that you should be technically, you should be well advanced. Apart from the technically, you always think something out of box. पहले कैसे था, before to that we you used to write to a long coding and everything. Now that things are done in 5 to 6 line of coding. So you need to be a thinker. You need to think something which is different. You should not just focus to a particular thing. You should be updated according to the things, and according to the current updation or technical terms. And for student it is more and more challenging, because now they cannot be just by knowing just one thing they cannot get the job. They need to be something. They should be able to work in anywhere, in any condition, in any field. So now the situation is like that. Baki, job is not an issue. You just need to have a extra thing. आप पहले जैसा नहीं रह गया. Even nowadays, maths and statistics people are started developing algorithms and starting analyzing and all. Yes, so it's like कि competition बहुत हो गया है, और yes, you need to be something different, or you need to be extraordinary. Yes, anybody, anything else? So cybersecurity cannot be completely automated. It is not possible. Yes, certain things they try to do, and that is also the just the analysis part they are doing, not a security part. They are not able to do, because security में भी आपको analysis की जरूरत होती है. So that part they are trying to get the automated, not entire thing. Anything? Anyone else? Okay. So I think now time is also it's 12:35, 36. So I think as nobody have any other doubt, so we'll conclude with this lecture. And I will just say one thing: don't uh, worry about the jobs and all, but yes, just try to develop your skills. Develop your skills means just try to whatever things you are getting, just try to think differently. Don't go in one particular direction. Okay, so I will conclude with today's lecture. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.